Hi, this is Tim from Plastex. We're going to fix a microwave door handle. This just broke and it kind of goes together like this. And these pieces fit in here like that. And then the screws come in from the back side of the microwave door. Both of these are broken. And then this part here fits together. This is just a plate. It really doesn't do much. It kind of keeps it straight on the that just fits in there like that. So we're going to fix all this today. So here we're going to fix this piece first here. This piece broke off the handle like this. So I'm going to bring that in instead of V'ing it out. In this case, it's not necessary. I'm just going to give it a real fine gap here. And I'm going to take the Plastex and I'm going to set in here like this. I'm going to fill that in right there. I have a wax paper underneath this, by the way, so I don't get any on the table. I just bring that in there like this, and then I'm just going to push it together where it goes, just like that. And that's just that'll dry. And right now there's room without having to grind any of that away. And when that dries, that'll be stronger than brand new because it's got a little bit built up on the back. Just slide it over. Okay, so we're letting this dry. While we're doing that, we're going to take this piece here and we're going to glue it in place right here. It goes just like that into the handle. So when we're done gluing this in place, we're going to backfill that with powder, and it will be stronger than when it was brand new because it'll have a little pocket right up in here. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. So we're going to take the powder and liquid here, put a drop in, and we're just going to kind of put some around this perimeter here. Make sure that's good and wetted around there with powder and liquid. Doesn't matter how full we fill that because we're going to fill the back completely. We're just going to set that in place where it goes just like that. And kind of hold that in for a minute. So that's in place. This end is already, I've got enough in there to let it dry. We're going to flip it around, and we're going to do the same thing with this side. We're just going to take some and just set it right on top of here. Make sure it's good and wet. You want to make sure you're getting the powder and the liquid on there, not just the liquid. The liquid by itself doesn't do the bond. It's the powder that actually does it. The liquid is just an activator for the powder is what happens. So we're going to make sure you've got plenty on there right there. And then we're going to take this and set it in place. Like that. Push it down. And we're going to let that dry. We've got both sides here glued in place, and it's been like 15 minutes, and that's enough. It's not completely dry, but it's dried enough. Now I'm going to drop some more down in here and reinforce the back side of this, which kind of the factory should have done, and just going to fill that in completely, and that'll make it stronger than when it was brand new. It keeps those 90s. It'll give that like a radius, and that'll completely fill that in on the back side here. Because there's no, we don't have to file anything or make any clearance. That'll just fill that in. So I'll finish filling both sides of that, and that'll make that much stronger. This part now, it's all done. It's all fastened back in there. And these are both fastened back in there. We filled the back side of these. It's been about a half hour since we did all, these parts. We filled these in on the back. So now these are now stronger than when they were brand new. So we're going to snap this back together. Actually, it goes the other way, like so. We'll snap this handle back together. And these are the screws. They come in from the back side of the microwave, and this thing it'll screw back in like that. You'll put this through the back side of the door of the microwave. And this job, and I guarantee you, this handle is now stronger than when it was brand new.